Nobody's talking about this very important update. UK company law is changing, guys, and there are a lot of changes coming up on the 1st of February 2026. I'm going to share all the details with you. Some of the fees you are aware of, they're all going up. So I'll share all these details. There are new responsibilities for all new and existing company directors, people with significant control of a company, anyone who files on behalf of a company. Now, we are all aware of the identity verification. If you have not done that, please get that sorted. It is for anyone setting up, running, owning, or controlling a company in the UK. You must verify your identity. Now, there are other changes you should be aware of when it comes to registered office addresses. You need to use an appropriate address. If you don't do that, they have the right to file an offense against you. So go and read more about that. Other changes include changes to company registers, changes to accounts, confirmation statement changes. I'm not going to read all of that. Just go and read about all these. I'm going to concentrate on one aspect, which involves the fact that the fees are all going up. Be ready to pay the new fees they have right now. But there are also changes with authorized corporate service providers protecting your information. Like I said, I just want to concentrate on the changes to companies' house fees because they are coming up on the 1st of February 2026. So let's just click on that link. So I'll show you all the fees that you should expect. If you have not registered your company, you've not incorporated your company, just do it as soon as possible because these fees are going up. So for incorporation, digital is £100. It used to be £50. Now incorporation, same day, digital is going to be £156, and incorporation with on paper is £124. Now registration under S1040 is going to be £124 when it's on paper. There are other registration available. I'm not going to talk about that because most people are not interested in that. But guys, confirmation statement, digital is going to be £50. If you decide to do it on paper, then it's going to be £110. Now, if you decide to change your name on the same day, digital is £85. Voluntary strike off paper is £18. Registration of a charge, digital, is £14. Voluntary strike off, if it's digital, then it's £13. Reduction of share capital of a company under S644CA06 is £89. Reduction of share capital of a company, if it's on paper, is £20. Now read about other services here. It's so important that you get this sorted. If you have to submit an application to remove your personal details from public register, then you have to pay £34. Now, limited liability partnerships. Here are the prices here for digital and paper options, LLPs. Everything is here. Overseas companies, guys. Yeah, the prices went up too. Limited partnerships. These are all here. Scottish qualifying partnerships, they're all here. I just feel I would put the link to this. I'll definitely put it in the description as well as in the comments. What you have to do is just go through everything, find out how much it costs. If you need to submit any application, do so as soon as possible. I have several videos on my channel where I explain how to complete your confirmation statement. If you have a company that is dormant and you don't know how to go about it, I have a video that explains it with more than how many thousands of views now. Just keep doing what you have to do. Don't break the laws. And I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Cynthia's class, where the vision ignites. Content creation sparking overnight. Dreams worth stacks, build an empire from grit. Hustle blueprint, every move legit. Academy flows, wealth in the making. Investment seeds, future unshaken.